Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Laurel. If you guys are new here, then be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I post videos every Thursday and every Sunday, so be sure to push that post notification button on the side so you get notified whenever I post. For today's video, I have a really exciting one because I am going to be sharing with you guys a lot of my fashion favorites from the month of June, and I'm also going to be sharing some accessories, shoes, as well as a couple skincare and beauty favorites from this month. But before we get started, I just want to quickly mention this amazing brand named Teddy Blake. They were super kind enough to send me my first ever luxury designer handbag, and I'm going to do a quick little unboxing for you guys because I can already tell this is gonna be one of my go-to and one of my favorite bags ever. I'm just so excited because I've had this inside my room untouched, unopened for the past 2 weeks now because I've had multiple videos planned and I've just been waiting to unbox this, so I just figured why not go ahead and share it with you guys for my June favorites video because I already know this is gonna be one of my favorite bags. So Teddy Blake New York is a designer handbag. Their bags are made from Italy. Teddy Blake creates designer handbags of every choice. So if you don't see the one that fits your style just yet, then I would recommend that you subscribe to their mailing list because they do come out with new collections every single month. They work with very experienced craftsmen who also happen to work at other Italian factories who work with luxurious brands as well. So they have a lot of knowledge and experience creating these luxurious leather for their handbags, and they really make high quality handbags. And I've read so many great reviews. My mom is also a really big fan of Teddy Blake, and she is such a handbag freak. I am literally in her room and I'm surrounded by her handbag collection. So you can already tell when she knows a good luxurious Italian handbag brand, she knows that Teddy Blake is an amazing one. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open this one. It's completely untouched, unopened, and first of all, the packaging is amazing. Like, this box is freaking huge, and I'm definitely still gonna use it to store this handbag. Oh my god, it comes with this really beautiful and super soft dust bag. Oh my god. So for reference, this bag that I chose is the Ava Croc Gold handbag in black. Oh my god, you guys, this is absolutely stunning. I mean, look at the structure. Look at the details of this beautiful bag. I chose the 14-inch one because I didn't want it to be too small and I didn't want it to be too big. And black is my favorite color when it comes to bags or handbags because it just goes with every single outfit. And also I chose the gold accents because gold is the jewelry that I tend to lean towards more. I'm speechless because it's honestly stunning. This legit smells like real leather, and if you know me in real life, you know that I have a very sensitive nose and I can sort of smell certain things, and this one smells like high quality real leather, if that makes any sense. If that's like weird to you, I don't know. This even feels like heavy. This feels really thick and high quality. Oh my god, I'm so impressed by this, especially since this is my first ever luxurious handbag. I mean, I've had a couple experience, you know, just borrowing a couple of my mom's, but to have one just for myself and on my own, it's honestly, I'm just so grateful and thankful for Teddy Blake for reaching out to me. This is honestly such a stunning bag. The construction of this, the details of the croc, it's stunning, and I just couldn't be more happier than having this right now. So I'm just gonna quickly go over the bag and then we'll get right into the video. So there are just gold stampings of the Teddy Blake logo from the front as well as in the back where the zipper is. And I love how big this front pocket is. You can just throw in your phone, throw in your cards or some cash. Super handy. I love how structured it is. Like, I think that's my biggest fan of this bag. I love how structured it is. Like, I can just have it standing up if I have it on top of a table. So you just slide these up. Oh, this is so pretty. Okay. So in the inside, super spacious. It comes with a strap so you can wear it as a crossbody, which is great. Look at all that space, you guys. I can literally fit all of my snacks, my water bottle, hand sanitizer, lotion, anything that I need on the go. This is like the perfect size, to be honest. It's really, really not too big for me. It also has a zipper on the inside with another huge pocket where you can fit a bunch of stuff. And then it has a flap on the front side of the pocket where you can just slide in, again, your phone, your keys, anything really. And the inside is like this suede material. I'm super impressed. This is amazing, and I really, really recommend that you guys check out their website. Again, subscribe to their mailing list if you guys want to check out new collections from them every single month. Okay, now without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with my first category, which is the fashion favorites of the month of June. I'm gonna start off with tops. The first one is this beautiful top right here. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen this top all throughout Pinterest, all throughout your Instagram. I actually got this off of Amazon, and I will have everything linked down below if I can find the links to them. But this is just a sweater vest kind of crop top. It is like a halter neck style. It's backless. I love this because it's super soft and it's really, really stretchy, and I just love the details of this top. It's dark brown and beige. It has like this squiggly line detail all throughout the top. It fits me perfectly. It's not too tiny, not too short. Okay, these next two tops are literally the same exact top, just different prints and different color. This is like a baby tee style top. It's from H&M. It's literally $5.99, and I got it in two styles. This one is just a kind of baby bluish grayish color. It has this design on top of it. It just says across states, and it has like this faded vintage effect to the print. I think it's really, really nice. And then I got this one. It kind of imitates that typical cowboy brown baby tee style top that's been all over Pinterest. You guys know what I'm talking about. This one literally gives off the same vibes. It has the same color, basically the same print. I honestly love how simple these tops are. I've just been loving them, and I wish H&M came out with more styles and more colors because I will literally pick all of them up. Okay, the next thing that I want to mention is this matching set that I'm actually wearing on my body right now. You'll see it when I try it on, but it is the set from Zara. It is a tank top and pants set. Pants are a little bit wide leg. They're super comfortable, just really cozy. I've literally just been wearing this around the house, and I'm obsessed with how comfortable it is. It feels like pajamas, but it also is kind of dressy because of the color and the style. You can definitely dress this up with some heels if you're going out and about, or dress it down, make it more casual, pair it with some sneakers, or just lounge around in it at home, which is what I've been doing. And I honestly love the color of it as well. It's like this honey butterscotch yellow color. I don't know how to describe it. Okay, moving on to dresses. I have two dresses that I want to show you that I've been loving. The first one being a simple black Zara dress. This is literally the most basic black midi style dress, and the best part was that I thrifted it for like $5 or $6. I can't remember. It is this straight neckline kind of tank top style dress, but it has a slight slit. It's just, again, super comfortable, easy to just lounge around in, but also such a basic and simple dress that I can style this up or style this down. This next dress is honestly probably gonna be my favorite dress of all time. It's this Target dress. It is the most chaotic, kind of summery, spring vibe kind of dress. I actually wore this in my May fashion favorites video, and I honestly just love the fit of this. I love the color combinations. I love that it's a long sleeve, like puff sleeve top. It has a bustier kind of style on the front area, and then the bottom is just a different style of flower prints, and it's like a darker shade of green. Yeah, it's a little chaotic. It's a lot going on, but I think it's beautiful, and it's been one of my favorite dresses, and it will continue to be one of my favorite dresses until I find its replacement. And lastly, for clothes, I have three bottoms that I want to share. The first one being this really, really simple, plain black flared pants from H&M. It's ribbed, it's cozy, it's comfortable, it's soft, stretchy. I mean, all of the good things just describe these pants. I think these are just the most casual, most comfortable pants that I own. And what I love about it is, again, you can dress it up or dress it down. It's really nice and fitted in the top portion, and then it slightly flares at the bottom. The next bottoms that I want to mention are actually both from Shein. So this one's the pants version and this one is like the shorts version. I've been loving this because it literally feels like pajamas. It's so lightweight, so soft, but again, you can dress it up, dress it down. I've been seeing so many different styles and inspiration from Pinterest using this style of like printed pants, and the shorts are the same exact thing, the same exact feel. I wanted to get the shorts version because once it gets really hot, like towards middle of July, early August, it gets really hot, and I still wanted to wear the same kind of print. So I wanted a pair of shorts in the same green gingham print, and I've been loving these because they literally feel like pajamas. I feel like I'm repeating myself, but these are like the pajama shorts version of those pants. Okay, moving on to some shoes and accessories. I'm starting off with shoes first. This has been one of my favorite pairs of sandals this whole month, and it's still in really good condition. I've been really careful with it. It's these right here. They're like these nude bandage style sandals. Like, they're really stretchy and really comfortable. They're platform, and it kind of has like that cork material on it as well. I got these from Marshall's for $17. They are really heavy, very sturdy, and I love wearing this with a simple pair of jeans or just wearing it with some fun funky pants. I got the nude color because honestly it just goes with every other color of the rainbow. Okay, these next shoes, it's just these Birkenstock knockoffs that I got from Forever 21, and it's like this faux leathery like rubber plastic material. I love it because this is so comfortable, and it's just been so easy to just slide my foot in and head off the door. I can wear this with socks or just without socks, and they're just really easy to throw on and they're really comfortable. Okay, moving on to accessories. I have this bag right here from H&M. It is a really simple black crossbody bag. I wanted something really small and really thin, and this was the perfect bag, and it was on sale for I think $6, which was even perfect. It has gold details. There's a zipper portion here where you can just stuff in more personal things. It just has a clamp in the front portion. I just keep some cash. Honestly, you can fit anything in this little bag, and I love it because it's just small enough to throw on if I'm just going out for a quick little grocery run. The next accessories that I want to talk about are these fun rings. So a couple of these rings are from Amazon, and a couple of them are also from Etsy. So these are what the rings look like. Please don't mind my nails. They are disgusting looking, but I love fun rings for the summertime. I think they really amp up such a simple outfit. I just wore the sets, and I feel like it really dresses up an outfit when you have a ton of jewelry on. So I've been loving these funky fun rings, and I just started to really get into it now. I have collected a lot throughout quarantine, and I never really had a reason to wear them, so I'm just bringing them out now in the summertime, and it's just been really fun. Okay, now we're gonna move on to some skincare favorites. I have a couple that I want to show you. So the first one is this Power 10 Formula Vitamin C Serum. This is what it looks like. I love the little dropper that it comes with because it's kind of angled, so it's just really easy to kind of put it on your face, and I've been putting this every single morning just to help get rid of my dark spots and just dark circles or redness, anything of that. I love vitamin C for the morning time before I go to work. It's always one of the first things that I put on my face. This is also another thing that I've been loving, and it's also one of the things I put on my face every morning. It's this product right here from The Ordinary. It's these caffeine solution drops that I put under my eyes. It just gets rid of puffiness and dark circles. So I've been really using this every single morning, and a little goes a long way, which I really like. Lastly, for some skincare products, this is the Derma E Vitamin C Intense Night Cream. Again, I love anything that has vitamin C, but I specifically use this at night. As it says, it is very thick, very moisturizing, and very hydrating, which is something you definitely want to put on in the nighttime rather than in the daytime. Moving on to some beauty favorites. I only have a couple because I'm still using the same ones from my May favorites video. The first one that I'm gonna pick up is the Sky High mascara that I actually need to buy another one of because this one has completely dried out. I've been using this for 3 months now and I absolutely love it. First of all, I love the bristles. I think it's like really thin, really simple to just put on my eyelashes, and also works well on my bottom lashes as well. Another favorite of mine is this Burt's Bees blush. This is the blush in Shy Pink. It's so beautiful. It's like this light mauve-y pink color. It's what I have on my cheeks right now, and it's really subtle, and I love how well this blends on my skin. So I've been loving this, and it stays on for a really long time, which I really love. Another product that I've been loving is this bronzer from e.l.f. This is the Perfectly Tan bronzer from e.l.f. It is honestly amazing. It is a little orangey and it's very, very pigmented, so a little dab is all you need, and I had to learn that the hard way because honestly sometimes my cheeks be looking too orangey and too bronzy, and it's because of this. It's really highly pigmented, which is great, but you also have to be very careful with it. And lastly, these have been my 2 favorite like lip products of the month. It's these products from Physicians Formula. They're like this Muru butter lip balm situation. They're tinted. I'm wearing the acai berry on my lips right now, but my go-to is Soaking Up the Sun. It is this nudie peach color. It is beautiful. It's super hydrating on the lips, and honestly such a perfect go-to nude color for me. This is the color that I have on my lips right now. It's acai berry. Okay, the last couple of things that I want to mention are just beauty products as well, but kind of just random. So the first one is this Ariana Grande perfume. This is the Thank You Next perfume. This is one of my favorite perfumes in the summertime. I loved this last year as well, but I love it specifically because it has like that creamy coconutty base to it. It also has notes of rose petals, notes of white pear. It just smells fruity, but also that creamy coconut really brings out like softness to the perfume. It just smells so freaking good and yummy, and if you ever smell me, this is what I smell like in the summertime. So this next beauty favorite, I only have 3 left. Clearly I've been obsessed with these. These are just so freaking handy. These are the Neutrogena makeup remover single wipes. This is literally just one piece of makeup wipe. It is so perfect for on the go. Sometimes on a long day, I just want to get rid of all my makeup, and you know, normally I don't wear as much makeup as I used to now, but still my eyeliner, my mascara, I still tend to wear those, and sometimes at the end of the day I just want to rub my eyes because it's just too much, it's too icky, and I'm over it. So I've been loving just putting these in my bag and throwing them in no matter where I go. It's so handy. I'm telling you guys, if you are a makeup wearer, you definitely need one of these because they are such an essential. And my last beauty favorite, I would say, is this booby tape. I got this off of Amazon. I don't know the brand of it. I will have it linked down, but I'm wearing it right now. I can't live without this. I've just been loving kind of going braless nowadays, just kind of letting myself free, but I don't want my nipples to be showing through my tops. So I decided to buy some booby tape, and that's what I did for my top today. You basically just cut a piece out every single time you want to wear it, and then you just tape it on. It doesn't hurt when you take it off. It's super gentle, and it's pretty thick enough to kind of like hide the nipple poking out of your top. So I've been loving this, and I'm definitely gonna be bringing this on my trips. All I need to do is just cut a strip out and just stick it on, and I'm good to go. But yeah guys, that is pretty much it for my June fashion and beauty favorites video of 2021. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will again link a lot of the pieces that I mentioned on the description box if you guys are interested in some of the pieces that I have used and bought this month. Again, thank you so much to Teddy Blake for sending me such a beautiful, luxurious handbag that will forever be one of my favorites because it's my first luxury handbag, so it's definitely going to be a keeper and definitely going to be an essential piece in my closet for a very, very, very long time. But yeah guys, thank you again for watching this Sunday's video. If you would like to follow me on my Instagram at Laurel. I am currently coming back from my trip in Maine. If you are watching this on Sunday, I'll be on my way back home to New Jersey, so if you guys want to check out some highlights from my trip, be sure to follow me on there. I'll be posting some outfit pictures as well as some lifestyle pictures pictures. Be sure to check out my Instagram and also check out my website shopindreamland.com. I think that is enough for all of my announcements. I will see you guys on Thursday for my next video. Be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next week. Bye!